Hey y'all, this is Taryn from Crafty Vibes by Taryn. Today I'm coming to you with the purpose of showing you how to download a font and upload a font. The purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to download fonts from DaFont.com. Then I will demonstrate how to upload the downloaded font into Canva. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do, if you haven't done it, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. You can do so throughout the video. If you comment, I will get back with you. If you like and subscribe, I will surely appreciate that. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is to open a web browser and go to dafont.com. It's D as in door, A as in apple, F as in Frank, O as in orange, N as in Nancy, T as in Tom.com. So it's dafont.com. This website has a variety of fonts that can be downloaded for your own personal use. You cannot sell these fonts, and most of them will tell you free for personal use. See that? Free for personal use. Okay. Some of them have a donate to Arthur button or link. If you want to donate, you can. It's good to donate because it's free. They're spending their time creating this. So these are the fonts that are available. There are a lot more available. These are recently added fonts that are available, I should say. So up here, you have the holiday, or these are examples of what you can click on to get to what you need. Let's do retro to see what's there. There are a lot of fonts available. I kind of like that milky vintage. And we're going to need different fonts for the upcoming holiday. So the upcoming holiday, we've just gotten over Halloween. There's Thanksgiving and Christmas. So I want to click on Christmas to see what they have for Christmas. I'm thinking about doing a Christmas movie shirt. So I need a font for that. I like that. I actually downloaded this font the other day. I'm going to use it. But you scroll through and it gives you an example of what the font looks like. So that's always good to know. So if you see something that catches your eye immediately, then go ahead and grab it and download it. Okay, so waving at Christmas, I like that, but let's see what else they have. And I'm not going to spend too much time doing this. I like this. I may do that. Yeah, let's do the first one on the second page. Um, yeah. So I'm going to download Christmas Time. So that's the font that I want to do. So after you go to thefont.com, you scroll the fonts and you find the font you want to download. Okay, I just told you the fonts have a preview of what they look like so that you'll know. Okay, so I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click download. Notice up here, something starts to happen up here. So on my computer, I'm just using a regular laptop. When it's finished, it says done. So I can click this, and this is the font. Let's see that we have. It's called Christmas Time, and I want the True Type font file. So start personal. Wonder what's the difference. Let's click and see. So that's Christmas Time personal use. But let's see what the star personal use is. Oh, it has the stars around the words. I I like it in some instances, but not in all. So I'm gonna use the Christmas time personal use. And I'm writing this down so I won't forget which file I downloaded. Okay, so I'm going to double click this file. It gives me a preview of what the file looks like or what the letters will look like. And I'm going to click install. it's installing my font. So it's putting the file on the computer. Okay. So I can exit out of that, and I'm going to go to my downloads folder, and it says Christmas time, but notice that it has that zip on it. So it's a zipped file. See the zipper? Can we enlarge this? See the zip? So it has the zip file. So I need to extract this or unzip. So I can right click and click or choose extract all. And it tells me where it's going to be extracted to, downloads, Christmas time to, and I'm going to click extract. Okay. I think that's all I need to do with this part. So now I'm going to go to Canva. I'm going to open a browser, sorry. And go to canva.com. And I'm just going to choose a document, a blank document. This is any document to open up and kind of explore what you have. And I'm going to go to text, and I want to just write some text. Let's do Merry Christmas, since I'm actually downloading this for Christmas use. So this is my file, and I'm just practicing on this file. Okay, so we're going to see if this process worked or not. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm so sorry. But for Canva, for this to work in Canva, you have to have a paid subscription. I do not think this works with the free version of Canva. All the research I've done said you have to have a paid subscription for this to work. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to add my text. I added my text. Now I'm going to click on the font box. And at the bottom of the font box, I am going to, let's move this over here somewhere. I'm going to click upload a font. It's at the very bottom. You don't have to scroll. It should already be there. But if not, go ahead and scroll down. But upload a font. And um, let's see. If it comes up custom, you may have to do all. And it's not there. So that means I skipped a step. So let's find, I did the step that I think I skipped. So let's go back here, and let's go to, it was Christmas time, right? Christmas time, yes. So I'm going to right click and extract all. I did that. Extract all. Okay, this is letting me know that I did the step. So let's see. Okay, give me one moment. I kept skipping the same step. I can't remember. Downloads, that's what it was. Oh, let's see if I open it. No, just give me one moment. We extracted all. It showed. I already installed it. So let's go back to Canva and see something. Seems like I'm supposed to do something else. Let me try this way. So instead of clicking upload a file here, go to brand, and I'm going to go to fonts. And up here where this plus sign is, I'm going to click this, like add a new and upload a font. So I'm going to click add new again. And I'm going to click downloads. Oh, that's where I messed up the first time. Okay. And I'm going to click here. If you still have the zip file here, it's not going to work. It has to show like a little preview of it. So I'm going to click there. I'm going to click open. And I just want the personal time or the Christmas time personal use because the other one had the stars around the letters and I don't really want that. So the next thing is please confirm the following. By uploading my own custom font, I acknowledge that I own Christmas Time Personal Use.ttf or have the right to use it for my intended purposes. I don't own it, but I have the right to use it. I'm not going to sell it. That's basically saying I'm not going to sell it or anything like that. So yes, upload away. So it's uploading my file. Okay. So it uploaded. Christmas time personal use is right there. So I'm going to exit out. So now let's go back. So now when I open my document and type my font in, click in the font box, scroll down. You see here where it says uploaded fonts, Christmas time personal use is there. I click it and bam, Christmas, Merry Christmas. It changes to the Christmas time personal use font. So if I confused you on anything, please let me know. But that is how you download a file from the font and upload it into Canva. Uploading is a little tricky. Like once you get it, you can either go to brand, which is over here, brand, and add your brand font, and then right here where it's a plus sign is adding the font or uploading the font. And sometimes once you click the font at the bottom here it says upload a font, it should work there too. um let's see what I should have done. Don't remember what it showed up as. Let's see, downloads. Oh, it's showing my downloads for today. Maybe it didn't show all of my files, or maybe it showed the zip file. Remember, if you have the zip file, it's not going to work. You have to click all files to make this file extension come up. And once this file extension comes up, you're good to go. But if any of these steps did not work for you, try it again. Maybe you missed something. Like, I know I missed something. So I'm like, I missed something. Let me go back and see what I missed. So that is it. Like, um, that's it. Yeah, that's the simple way to download the file from DaFont.com and upload it into Canva. So this means you have successfully added a file or a font to Canva. Okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my video or subscribe to my channel. Comment on the video, like the video, and let me know your thoughts on the video. And if I can help you, please let me know. Just comment and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Stay tuned for the next video. Click the notification button because I will be making a This Is My Hallmark Christmas Movie shirt. My Hallmark Christmas movie watching shirt or something on that line. But I will be using these fonts or the fonts that I've downloaded from the font to make that shirt. So there's nothing else. I'll see you next time. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.